Let's talk about the upcoming events for the rest of the week, which is busy. It's not only about Trump, but I'll start with Trump because today the US president is expected to reveal his plans for national security, and this includes a wall on the Mexican border, changes to immigration laws, and things like that. Markets don't like these kind of things. They want to see fiscal stimulus. They don't want to see less trade and limitations on immigration. But, well, that's life. Let's see how this impacts markets. It could keep pressure on the US dollar, but who knows what the next days will bring. So, but let's talk about what we do know, the known unknowns, not the unknown unknowns. So today, just after the show, we have the German IFO business climate. It's expected to continue rising. Business confidence in Germany is A-OK. We also have oil inventories at 3:30 GMT, as usual, for those trading Canadian dollar, for those trading oil. And after we had the quarterly inflation report from Australia, we have the same report from New Zealand. And the fact that these countries reported only once per quarter makes the impact much larger, amplified. So for those trading the Kiwi, this is a big event to watch. I didn't put the hour here. It's 21:45 GMT. Continue with Thursday. Here we have top tier figures. Well, one at least, the first release for UK GDP for the fourth quarter. Okay, this is the second quarter after Brexit. The immediate quarter after Brexit, the summer, the third quarter, showed GDP coming out at 0.6 quarter over quarter, which is very solid. The trend is expected to continue. No immediate damage from Brexit. It's the main event of tomorrow, Thursday. Beforehand, we have the Spanish unemployment rate. Spain has been hit quite hard by unemployment, but the situation is improving. We also have US jobless claims as usual every Thursday, and new home sales, which are more important than existing home sales, at 3 GMT. Okay, new home sales create more infrastructure spending around these new homes, more economic activity in general. And on Friday, we also have a top tier figure, this time the same one from the US. It's the US GDP. First release, this is actually the last report card for former President Barack Obama. And surprises are quite common with the first release. At the same time, we'll have the durable goods orders report for December, overshadowed by GDP because the GDP report also includes December, the last quarter of the year. We also have the final consumer confidence release for the United States. It's the last word for the week, but it's not the preliminary. Again, each time we have the first release, it's more important than any revision. Okay, and I skipped this figure, but the Japanese yen hardly moves. Dollar yen hardly moves by Japanese figures, but it does have a chance to do so this time, because we have the Japanese BOJ core CPI. Okay, there are many inflation measures in Japan. The most important one is the one that the BOJ produces by itself, because afterwards the BOJ makes its decisions according to its own data. So all in all, upcoming this week, the big GDP reports, but watch out for President Trump. Okay, so this concludes the upcoming events.